Right, let's get straight to it. If you go in my last video, you can learn how to wind or thread your bobbin. That will teach you how to get a bobbin like this, which is nice and full and it has good tension. My machine has a top loading bobbin, so that means that the bobbin goes into the top of the machine. Some machines you can actually move the side panel like this, and then there'll be a little area here where your bobbin goes in. So if you have a machine like that, this technique will still work the same way for you. If you have a bottom loading bobbin like this, is a case. So this isn't for this machine, but it's just an example to show you what I mean. Now this is a bobbin case. You may have it and it has a little clasp like that, which helps you to put it in. And what will happen is that you would put your bobbin inside this and then put it inside your machine at the bottom here. Now, as my machine is a top loading bobbin, I'm going to show you how I would do that. Just going to shut that. With our first step, we need to first figure out which way do I put my bobbin in the machine. Now, a tip from me is that if your bobbin, when you are pulling the string towards the left, also moves in that same direction, this is not the way you want to load your bobbin. What you want to do is flip the bobbin opposite way round, and when you pull the thread again in the same direction, it moves in the opposite direction, as you can see. So this is the way I want to put my bobbin in. If I was to place my bobbin inside, I would make sure that I hook it around that little groove there, like that. And when I pull it, it will move in the opposite direction to which I'm pulling it. Then you would just place your bobbin into your machine by opening this up, pushing it in, letting go. So for my machine as a top loading bobbin, I'll just remove the top panel here by pulling this little mechanism. Panel will come off, put it down. I'll get my bobbin, make sure it's the right way up, and place it inside. And make sure that you are hooking your bobbin string around the grooves that your machine will instruct you to. I'm going to get my panel, put it back on again. Now with my left hand I'm going to hold the top needle thread, and with my right hand I'll be turning the dial towards me so that the needle goes down inside the machine. And I'm going to do a full rotation so it comes out. While I'm doing that, I'm holding this string taut so that I can pull the bobbin string up. So when this happens, I'm just going to give it a little tug, and there'll be a little loop. When you have that loop, you can get an unpicker, embroidery scissors, or just your scissors to put in between that loop. So you can pull it through. I'll take over with my hands and pull the rest out. I'll push my threads to the back. Now I'm ready to sew.